Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're excited, we got that front end ready, but while we were doing it, we found some stuff, which you seen in the last video, is we found some rust holes in the floor pan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take its interior out, get the carpet out, and start patching this back together.
And investigate if there's any other spots.
Yeah, and try to find wherever. Because I bought a few pieces of sheet metal so we can start fixing back. But we got this, like you seen in the last video, we got this ready for paint. It's ready. I think we need to fix those first. Do you think?
Yes, because we're going to paint.
Yeah,
we're going to end up painting the hole underneath of the car.
Yeah. So we're going to go work our way back fixing some sheet metal.
I think once we fix these two spots, paint this area,
paint front,
get the motor in, front end,
and cover it up.
Yeah. And
get it ready.
And then put the fenders on so we can do our body work.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, if you've seen it already, I doesn't have a seat out. I got the footage. But look in here, though. Let's take a look in this thing. See, right there
in the corner.
In the corner is that rust on both sides.
So I mean, it's gonna be fun. And we might have a surprise guest coming over.
Help us clean this out. So, hey, and we're picking up something new today for the shop. We're excited about. Good deal on it. But we keep growing. We're going to have to get a bigger place.
Yeah, it's getting tight.
Yeah, it's starting to get really tight.
But we're thankful.
We're thankful. So thanks, guys, for watching and subscribing. And if you hadn't subscribed, just go down there and do it right now. And it helps us out. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. And let's get this done. Hunter, what's up, homie?
Not much.
What are you doing here, buddy?
Gonna be putting liner in the toolbox.
Oh, it's a new toolbox. So Hunter we bought some stuff for it. Hunter absolutely enjoys doing this.
Oh yeah, I love toolboxes.
Which I do not blame him because it is fun. Look at this thing. We're going to make this right here our what, Hunter? Power station.
We're gonna put our
chargers and stuff right there.
And I haven't figured out the rest.
And Hunter's going to work on that, aren't you, bud?
Oh yeah.
So while he's doing that, I think I'm going to gut the interior in this Nova so we can get down there and fix on that rust, right, Hunts?
Yep, so we got to get that fixed quick.
So we can paint.
Get paint on that.
Yep. Hey, we got the parts. We done told you that, but we also have a new part, don't we, Hunter? We'll bring it in here in a second and show you.
Oh yeah, show them.
All right, Hunter. What did we get for the motor today?
Well, let's go look right over here.
Woo!
Nice and chrome. Oh man.
Yes. That's gonna look good on there, ain't it? Hey, what else did we get over here for it?
Oh yeah. We got our distributor. I think it's a big one.
Oh yeah. What else?
We got a cool.
All right, so we're getting all the parts we need, aren't we?
To wrap that thing up.
Oh yeah. So we'll
get it into this thing.
All right, now I'm gonna jump into here and get this going. Wow, Hunter's.
What are you doing?
Trying to find the rust. It is everywhere. Well, you know, you get into these little cars like this, man, that Ford must have been kept very good.
I think it was garage kept.
Because this thing is in some shape here. But ain't gonna be nothing too hard that we can't fix, right? We might as well just get rid of probably this section. You know?
Yeah.
Right there is solid.
You gonna do the diagonal?
Yeah, I just gotta get my face a little bit better. All right, here we go.
Look at all that. It's smoky.
Smokey and the Bear.
But yeah, there we go. Got it cut out. So next will be what? Welding it?
Yeah, we'll have to.
Well, the next step in the process will be
forming it
and everything, but then
weld it.
practicing on welding.
Plug welding. I've got to somehow. I might have to get the saw out and cut this little spot. Alright guys, I got this cut out, grounded it, cleaned up, grounded. I'm going to take the wire wheel and go through there and clean it a little more. But that's the spots we got to fix. And that spot, there's one little spot I'm going to have to fix right there. And then, this one's good. This one, I'm going to have to fix that. So not too much. So back here, this looks really good. All that looks really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to gut this thing and completely gut it. And I mean, just take care of every bit of this, like almost a brand new car. We'll try to, because this looks really good. Then we'll see what we can do with this dash, the dash pad. We might do some projects on that right there. Might turn it into like a hard dash, fiberglass. We'll see. So let's get back at it. All right, guys. Well, I want you to check this out. Me and Hunter found a deal today.
Half inch.
$20.
It was $60, but
$60, but we got it for $20.
because it's been
Awesome deal.
it's been open.
They opened it and it still said $60 on it, and I was like, "It's on the clearance section," and she's like, "How's $20 sound?"
So we got the hookup.
I was like, "Yeah." Well, I said, "We'll take it."
Yeah.
But $20, you cannot buy tools for $20. Not like that. But guys, we're gonna get started back inside this thing and get the rest of that rust cut out, grind that floor up a little bit, vacuum it, and get it ready for the next step.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, well, I got this rust spot cut out. Look at that. Well, say goodbye to that. Weight reduction. We're making a hot rod. That's how you do it. You make your car lighter.
When you flip that light over,
You go faster, don't you? So look at that. That's how much rust was right there. Isn't that
Not
crazy?
too much.
Not bad. I mean, this one's solid. So I got that one cut out. I got one little bitty spot up front to go. And then that takes care of this. And then we're going to clean up all that surface rust. It's almost like there's dirt in here too. But I think that's surface rust. But
So what are you going to be using right here?
right now I'm using this that I picked up.
What is
Works
it
pretty
do? Just
good.
clean up?
Just clean up the surface rust and junk, and gets down to bare metal.
Yeah.
Pretty tough. Watch this. We'll check it out and see how it looks. Let me set up my trusty light, which falls all the time. You know what I need to do? I need to get the handle that screws on here. It's too much power for me. But look what that does right there.
Oh, yeah,
I mean, it really cleans it up good. So I'm gonna do this whole inside. You think I need a respirator or a dust mask or something?
Yeah, because I'm having to cover my nose right now.
But I get carried. That's like 100-year-old. I wonder how old this car is.
I mean, it's
2 years older than I am. I am 44. So it's like 46 years old. 46-year-old dust.
It's more than that.
No,
It's 2021.
It's 2 years. I'm 44,
This is
right?
74. You're going to be turning 45.
Oh,
it's
it's 47 years old. Goodness, am I getting that old?
Yep.
All right, guys. But, well, I'm going to hit on that a little more, and then we'll see where we get. I might have to get Hunter get my respirator over there because that is stinky.
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, we got a bunch of rust cut out. So I'm trying to clean up a little bit of this mess. But just take a look in there and see. It looks 100 times better.
It looks really good.
But now you can see the ground.
Yeah.
Well, weight reduction, we're building a hot rod, so you got to take some weight out of it. No,
Yeah, we're going to fix it.
We're going to put it right back. So, but I wanted to get it cleaned up a little bit because we don't want the garage to get out of hand again, and it kind of is.
Yeah.
But this is like dirty work.
And I mean, it takes up a lot of room, so we're having to get used to working in tight quarters again.
Yeah, we're going to have to make a way to put all of our stuff up, hopefully up,
Yeah.
out of the way. Guys, we got some exciting news about the Mustang. We're going to be buttoning that inside totally up, finally.
This thing's getting close to being finished.
Because we got a new
Steering wheel.
So we're going to, next video maybe, because we got a part that's on back order for that motor.
So it's going to be a week from today.
Yeah, a week
when
from
you're
today.
seeing this. So
Either we'll keep working in here probably, because look in here, guys. Come over here and look. Look how much better that looks down in there.
Oh yeah, it looks good except for all those holes.
Yeah, so we got all that cut out, guys. And guys, we appreciate it, y'all watching and subscribing and liking.
We have a
all this
shout out
stuff.
for someone.
Hey, Cody, thanks for subscribing, man. We really appreciate it. Hey, get all your friends to subscribe and like them. And the more you like them, the better it is for us, I promise you.
And we appreciate everyone that is subscribed.
Everyone, comment. Tell us what you would do to it. I mean, I don't care if you're young, old. I want your opinion because, hey, this right here is starting from scratch, guys. It could be whatever we want.
You could give us
to
a
be.
killer idea.
Yeah, I mean, if you're young and got great ideas, or if you're older and you've done this before, let us know what to do because we've never done it.
And we like hearing from you.
And we like hearing from you guys. So, Cody, thank you, and everyone that has subscribed and liked and hit the notification button and comments. We love it, man. We love the comments, man. Like Brown stays around. I like that one. And what Nova stood for, I like that one too. There's been some good ones, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.